Hello, people. How are you doing today? I'm Olalekan, the AI trader and the founder and CEO at Racktor. In this video, I want to show you Racktor's AI trading models. What I mean by that is the variation of AIs that we have that has been trading constantly in the market, and I want to show you our last 8 months result, January 2023 to August 2023, up to date. Remember I said in the last video that we have over 13 models, but in this video I will be showing us just three of those models, and with these three you can choose either one to trade your account by yourself. You can choose multiple ones to trade your account, and you can see that each of these models have been working consistently over time, making money in the forex market. You ready? Let's jump in. Okay, so moving to my screen here, over to our website at racktor.co. Let's just do that in a little while now. Okay, so our website is loading up, and here we go. Come on, it's not the time to network to be tracking things out. Okay, super. Now we are loaded up at this website. So to view our trading models, the AI model that we have that has been trading in the forex market, just go over to Racktor AI Trading Model, and it will take you straight into the page where you would be able to see the things we have going on in the market, and how these models are well described. All right, so we have two categories. We call it the Racktor Z-Series, AI Z-Series, and we have the ZX-Series. All right, like we have here, the Racktor Z-Series has three AI trading models and focuses on profitably trading just two currency pairs, the EURUSD and the NZDUSD, and it adopts a multiplier trading mechanism that open trades and closes them after bagging profits. So you definitely see it in the market, and as you're seeing it's going on your account, a very subtle multiplier management mechanism to bag in profits fast for you and consistently, and it's best for capital that is below $5,000. All right, so let's go over to Z1. You can see in the picture here how that is been trading from 2023 to date, and the Z1 only trades the Euro USD pair, and it is a little volatile and suitable for investors with a quick moderate return target on their investment. So if you want something quick, something fast, and I don't want to say suddenly because it's never sudden, but something very fast, the Z1 AI model is for you. And moving to Racktor AI Z2, trades the NZDUSD pair only, and it's more conservative, more risk reserved, not as volatile as Z1, and is suitable for investors with a compound return target on your investment over a longer period of time. So if you want to hold your investment for a long period of time, especially for those with bigger capital, let's say you have $100,000, $200,000, I would recommend you go for this. All right. Then we have our Z series, Z3 rather, Racktor AI Z3. It trades the mix of the two currency pairs. So we look at, okay, what if we blend the Euro USD and the NZD USD together to form another trading model? What kind of result are we going to get? So in the process of doing that, we observe that it generates a higher return on investment over Z1 and Z2. So the blend of those two, Z1 and Z2, makes a very quicker accumulating interest. So it's way more faster than Z1, and way quicker. Of course, faster return equals to a little more of risk, but then overall it still makes money. And as always, Racktor does not blow accounts. That is for a fact. So you might see drawdowns, but then it doesn't blow your account. So that's how Racktor works. That's one of the unique things about Racktor. So this is what we have under Racktor AI Z-Series. Just these three models, trading the Euro USD and then the NZD USD and the Z3, the combination of both. Yes, it's suitable for any kind of investor. For if you have a capital, it's just $100. This is good for you. Up to $5,000 and even more. This is good for you. And as you've seen the real-time results over time as I'll be showing you soon. And here we are under the ZX series. This is literally up to 10, but I will just be showing you two of it. All right. Racktor AI ZX series offers a bigger and better trading model that operates on an advanced trading algorithm And unlike the trading model in the Z-Series, it has a dynamic trading management system that caters for all possible market conditions. So the ZX-Series trades both in trends, in reversal, in pullbacks, counter trend, just name it. It trades literally all strategies or anything you can think of, any move of the market that you can think of. ZX-Series trades them. Remember I was saying at the time in one of my videos that Racktor makes money regardless of which direction the market goes. We still bags in profit. All right, so with the ZX series, you can explore more currency pairs, commodities, derivative, and other financial instrument with no multiplier effect, having a dynamic management mechanism. So the ZX series is more lighter in terms of management. It doesn't go as aggressive as the Z series goes in terms of management, and sometimes it could take time to form, but it still makes money at the end of the day. So whether it's fast or whether it's slow, the goal is more money. All right, so AIZX1, it trades multiple pairs with two return models to choose from. You can either say, oh, I want the aggressive model of ZX1, or I want a much more moderate return. And also, it allows investors to push for more profit. And this is what I mean by allowing investors to push for more profit. Because of this model, if you are on our account linking subscription, you as an investor can increase the lot sizing of your account without affecting the master overall account, because when Racktor sends signals to your account as an account linking investor, it sends the least risk possible on your account. But you as an investor can say, oh, I just want it a little bit more higher. So you can increase the return ratio on your account, and also you can reduce it. So if you want to reduce, and you can do that by reducing the lot size. So the lot size is how much you want to go in and push in the market, and also to break bigger returns. So smaller lot size equals lower return, and bigger lot size equals bigger return. And of course, lower lot size equals lower risk, and bigger lot size equals more potential risk exposure. All right, but so far the trades as good as Racktor trades them, then you will not have to worry about increasing lot size. However, too much of or a bigger lot size can turn a profitable trade to a losing trade for you. Why? Because if pullbacks happen, definitely, and there's no capital in your account to handle that pullback, and definitely you'll be in a loss, even if the market goes back in your direction after the pullback. So you have to be very careful when using that, and we'll be showing you how to do that in another video. So you can definitely check videos in the description or other videos on the channel showing how to increase the lot size and the proper lot size to use for your account moving forward. All right, so finally, let's go to ZX2. ZX2 is built on a direction trading logic that is consistently profitable regardless of the way the market goes. So if you are an investor or a trader that is more direction conservative, or I want to follow the market direction, I want to follow the trend, then ZX2 might be the direction, the AI for you that you want to trade your account. All right. So having said that, let's go see the result portfolio over time, and this is at my FX book. Okay, so we have different strategy, and I'm going to filter them. We have the ZX1, the ZX2 has not been uploaded here yet, but in other videos you definitely have them. But for now, we have just the Z series and then the ZX1 series, and of course we have different models of the ZX series. Like I said, it can be moderate, and it can be aggressive, and also it can be we have model 1 and model 2. Remember I said it is being broken down, but that's not for you to worry about. Just choose one out of these and say, oh, I want ZX1 to trade my account, and I want the aggressive model to trade my account, and you'll be good. So leave us with the job of being bothering, oh, should we use model 1 for your account, or should we use model 2? That's not your problem. Just choose the model, AI model you want, the risks you want, and you'll be good. Okay, so let's start with the Z series. Let's filter. All right, so we have just two here. We have 2022 full year, and then we have 2023 year. Okay, so Let's start with 2022. Just click on that, and then I'll be showing you the risks and the return. All right, there is something we have done, because this is a model that we keep advancing on. There is something we have done to this that I'm going to apply the filter now. You may not see this on your screen. Okay. Okay, good. So I've applied the filter that we have added to this portfolio moving forward. And you can see here, let me just zoom in for you to see that the gain over the year of 2022 on Z2 only. This is just Z2 on NZDUSD. You can see that this trade has been traded NZDUSD only. There's no other pair that is added to just NZDUSD. The return is 116% with a monthly return of 6.6% and a total drawdown on your own capital of 13%. All right. Of course, you can see there is 44 at the time. Remember, I said that we kept improving on this model to see that the risk is dropped and then the return is increased. So if I should return it back to the default by just refreshing, you will see that the difference between the former profit, let me pull out my calculator, which is just this is 129 minus by the time I apply the recent filter, of course, I'll not be talking about the filter we applied, just that just some analysis from our end here. Okay, and now once the filter was applied, you begin to see that the overall profit is drawn down. But let's see the difference. And 1 minus 116, then we have just 13% difference. And look at the drawdown difference from 44 to 13. You're just applying a unique filter within our model. So this is one of the things you want to be seeing, that I want to be trading my account with a company that's constantly improve on things they do. All right, so this is what you have on our Z2 model 2022, the whole of 2022. So let's look at the future every month. So you can see on January 2022, you have 7.76% return, February 8.14% return, March 8%, April 13, May 7, June 6, July 5, August 5, and September 6, October 6, and November 5%, while December is 4%. Of course, the highest is April 2022. So with this, it just shows you that, if you're an investor that you started with us January 2022 up to December 2022, you have 100% of return on your capital. And every month, if you want to withdraw, you can also withdraw your return. And of course, we encourage that you make withdrawals whenever you want to, so you can always withdraw your amount. However, do not touch the starting capital. Why? Because Racktor will only trade with a memory of your initial capital deposit. So there's nobody going around looking for you have made withdrawals or this and that. No, it only trades that capital and trades at that volume. So if you withdraws your capital, then you're putting your account at risk. Okay. So that is that for Z2 on 2022. So let's check 2023 for Z2. Remember, I said that Z2 only trades NZDUSD. Remember, that's what we said here. That Z2 only trades NZDUSD. Okay, so let's filter again and choose the model we want using the strategy group. Okay, let's look quickly at 2023 model. All right, so I'll be applying our filter very quickly, and we would be moving forward super fast. Okay, great. Now that we've applied our filter, we can see 2023 just from January. Let's go check from January to September. We have 119% return. 119% return with a drawdown of 3.21% and a monthly return of 9.1%, almost 10% monthly. And this is just $5,000 trading account, and we made a return of $6,422,000. And you can see January was the best month. So remember that this is why we don't do monthly return. Well, because all months are dynamic. Some months can be good, next month can be not so good, not in terms of losses, but lower return. So this is why you have to allow your account to roam. With trading with this mindset saves you a ton of headache in the forex market. All right, you can see January, February, and all of this. September is the lowest month. So if someone should join in September and say, Racktor is bad, it's just 4% this month. But then look at an investor that's been patient enough, from 22 to 14 to 12 to 9, 8, and all of that, and there is still more loading up. October is just starting out, November is coming on, December is coming on, 2024 is coming on as well. So this is what we have under our Z-Series that has been uploaded for our track record. So moving forward, let's go to ZX1. But in this model, I will only be showing you just 5 pairs. Remember, I said that our ZX1 or all of our ZX series can trade multiple pairs. So because of this, we'll only be looking at few of these pairs. We won't have to go through all of them because this video just gets so long. So I don't want to bore you, just want to make money. So let me just show you the money. Of course, let's show you the money. Yeah. All right. So here we are on our Racktor ZX1, and you can see here you have multiple pairs. You have the USD CHF, NZD JPY, NZD CHF, NZD CAD, USD JPP, and a whole lot more that's the ZX series trade on. So let's just pick at random. Let's pick. I won't just pick the good ones, but then let's start with the one that you might not. So let's start with this AUD card. Okay, should have opened a new tab, but then we see that the drawdown is just 9.59%, and the total return this drawdown means the maximum drawdown on your capital. The starting deposit is just $10,000, so the total drawdown on this account is 9%, about 10%. That is about 1,000 of this capital deposit, and a return of 4,000 profit. So it's still a good risk to reward ratio if you ask me. So let's go see how the month performed. Okay, in each month, in January we have 7.7%, February we have 5.14%, March we have this result, April this, May and June are the lowest month for this pair, and July came up higher, August a little bit, and September probably by the time we are loading this, that was still forming. So this is just for an account that has just 40% return in the space of January till August, which is still good for, in terms of, as manager we call it, for risk to reward, 10% drawdown, and then 40% return on trade. That still makes sense. All of course, I like that kind of result. With our GBP USD, you can see we have a return of 200%, over 200% in the space of January to now. The monthly return of 15% and an over maximum drawdown of 31%. And that starting capital is $10,000 and our profit is $21,000. That is double of your account already. And you can see the performance in the months. The first 3 months were just blasting it off, January, February, March, and this is how ZX1 model worked on GBP USD January to August. Without much further ado, let's move on to another pair. This EURUSD is a little bit, the drawdown is quite high, so we'll be looking into that for some certain reason. However, let's check this guy. Yes, let's check this guy out. NZD CHF, and let's add one more, which is my favorite, GBP NZD. So we'll be looking at those two, and this one has huge drawdown. Let's see, what is it again? Okay, this EURUSD. So it's okay. Let's check that as well. Okay, so what pair is it again? NZD CHF. We can see that a drawdown of 35%, but by the time we apply our filter, that will drop dramatically, and boom, you can see that. So this filter has been integrated into the AI model already. So that was before these results had been updated. So we have to do a review and see, oh, at what time of the day does this drawdown increase? And then, as you can see, the filter is literally to remote to filter by hour of the day. So that filter has been integrated into the Racktor trading model, which is good for you as an investor that you're coming in. But regardless of how big the drawdown was, it still did not blow the account. Okay, so the drawdown is now dropped to 6%, 6.7%, and a monthly return of about 9%. And of course, the overall gain is 98%, which is very good for me. As you can see, the profits here. And let's look at the month performance. January is still the best month, 46% January. Wow, that's a full blast. February was so low, but then let me spread out all over the month. You can see that, oh, you still have something from this pair, and that's still ZX1 working on that pair. Okay, this is another pair that I like, the GBP NZD. It's really super interesting pair to trade. Has been doing a lot for us in the community, and yep, the drawdown, as you can see, just reduced dramatically by that dynamic filter we just applied now. And we have a return of 181% in just 8 months with a maximum drawdown of less than 9%. That is massive. monthly return of 13%. Interesting. Let's look at what we have in the month, how each month are performing. 38% in January, 17% in February, 19 in March, 16 in April, 7 in May, 8 in June, July, August. Very amazing months. As you can see that each of these models keeps delivering results on their specific choosing pairs. So we have specifically designed each of these models to suit the pair they are trading. Oh, some people might be saying, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. No, the AI understands that for each pair, there are dynamic way to trade them. As you can see, these are just recently discovered filters that the AI now say, oh, it's time to apply this filter. Like I showed you right there before this result I uploaded. By the time that filter is applied in real time, you can tell how reduced the drawdown will have been and how improved the return will have been. That is still our primary goal, to reduce drawdown and increase profit. This is it, as you've seen the wonders of Racktor AI trading models. And this is just two model. I'm showing you just two out of four that I mentioned that is live. I'm showing you just two. Is it four? Five rather. Z1, Z2, Z3, ZX1, ZX2. Out of five, I only showed you two wonder results model. So what can you imagine about the other ones? Of course, when you fail 100 times, when you fail over 400 times, definitely what will be coming out will be way bigger. There's still more bigger ones in the background. So this is not to confuse you at all, but this is to give you the option to choose which you prefer the most. And as I said earlier, you can trade on all your accounts, as many accounts as you want. Oh, I want Z1 account for Z1, and that's even the best. Spread your risks. Oh, you have 100k. Yeah, good. Spread across each models. Z1 is trading maybe 20k, Z2 is trading another 10k, another 10k, and then spread around. More on that is coming in more videos to come. Like and subscribe, share this video. Let's get more investors, let's get more traders, let's get this news going on that Racktor AI is the best trading AI in the market that you can find. This is not an ordinary bot, nope, not at all. This is an advanced trading market brain designed AI model. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, go over to our website and be an investor now, be a trader, trade with us. There's no time to waste. Market is moving. Why are you sitting? Money is moving. Get in the vibe, move with the money. And remember to join our Discord community. That is where amazing things keeps happening. More live streams, more live events keeps happening there. Until next time, cheers to more profits.